ngijwayele Mr Mohammed ngitshela ukuthi eish connect your links biza ama investors biza ama companies na umhlaba you can give you space yenza indlela phela manje at least sithole ama company angaqashwa abantu abayi 200 or 300 noma ngakhanda anything or insipho or yini so wazi ukuthi uyakhumbula wena ikasi lakho bekunevalve yavalwa blockeka izinto sele nje ngamabhokisi nje nama company nyana a few amaplango so
hey bro
movie
you touching such a sensitive issue cause like the time ngengaya few months back where I'm like same people still in the same corner people are not working same cry bro kanti kwenzakalani because it seems like to me edumbe abantu baqashana ngefamily yakwaSibanibani I hate that thing bro like this thing ama group uthi family yakwaSibanibani yiyo ngathi he's big then is getting benefits at town
of town
yeah
manje silent bro wami nje kuthulile there's no information there's no
hope
there's no hope and there's no lento yamaqashana uzopost yabo nje since nje qalile this year nje i1 post ekuyavela unless ke la nofaka mina ke mo leadership la nginowafaka ngibiza abantu njengoba ku develop ema shop nokuyenza lo movement ke but nje post e1 ikhona engenile le yaka transport nakhona beyithatha abantu abayi 29 but ama application maybe bawakhona lapho mangifika office ku department i4000 just imagine 4000 ama idolobha lagcwala lathi every visit
abantu about
29 over 4000 ama post ngama box ngathi na you ngathi this is set cabanga i department yonke iqashe kancane kanje mina mangithatha nje sisixoxela ngithatha manje i leadership ngithathe 100 leadership eka health bengithathe enye ama security okay noma ngatholi imali eningi but la must depend ama 3000 ayenza impact abantu that very
bro even 1.5 year
abantu uyabona ukuthi manje namhlanje exchange njoba ngifika la bengiposte omunye umsebenzi khona ngibafake la eDenver bazoyenza ama petrol wathi khona abanye bangithintile ke from Alban bafuna nakhona ngiletha abantu because no import abantu from our hometown ngoba uyazi akunalutho ndoda akunalutho
yeah no I wanna talk about that bro
yeah
wenza njani ngendawo such a town that has like no hope abantu bakhona if you there bro you know if you can tell me to go back where I'm from I'd rather kill myself I'll commit suicide if you can say Chris go and stay there I won't survive there bro
hey Tinas
bro you can when you sleep you can't wake up and say it's going to be a better day today it's bad it's worse you cannot have a worse day life stands still yobo bro amakhunywa ngetown ukuthiwa impilo yakho imini I was like damn it life here is like still so I was happy when I heard about you then they say hey kuno Mesula I'm like who's Mesula but everyone will tell me even my nephews when I get home like hey kuno Mesula sizwa Mesuli like indaba zama internet Mesuli mede uye kuMesuli akusiza nje I'm like who's this guy who's helping at least bro because we need like more people like you I'm not here to shame my town but I'm here to talk about you because you're doing such a great job ukuthi mfethu wenza into enhle and we want more of you abazokwenza izinto ezikanje itown yethu ishinje because thina we here in Joburg we're like hey and it's not supposed to be like that ukuthi ngize la Joburg ngithi hey mina angeze ngene indaba zalapha is my hometown bro I love it so we have to bring the change at the end of the day because imeya umama uzothola ukuthi ugogo omdala or ubaba omdala singamazi he doesn't understand what we want I-councillor is someone kade dlala ibhola maybe kakhulu then they will take that person we don't take people because they qualified because they can do it it's just because who are you where you from it's doing nothing I don't know i-councillor mina lasidla la ngihlala khona I don't know kwenzakalani sishintsha kanjani mfana le nto
yabona nje usizana masine challenge enkulu through that ngoba one of my other posts nokubhala ngikhuluma indaba ukuthi thina wa under we're not in a privilege whereby even kuba iJanuary kumele sithathe abantwana abaphasile. We've got 72 high schools. I'm sorry, not 72 high schools. My high schools mancane ay less than 20, cishe 16 or 18 when I'm not mistaken. But kunabantwana agcina baphasa lapho asina even ngeke emthashana ngawucela ngathi hayi senzeni satellite man, at least sibe nendawo la khona nifundisa abantwana or bayinizisa admin or anything. Mele ukuthi ngeJanuary sehle senyuka ngize drive ngize ngifike la eJozi ngibhuka ama taxis ngidrive ngiye ko Durban ngidrive ngiye kwempangeni ngiye ko Newcastle sekuma TVET sekuma Varsity. Doesn't matter ukuthi bathole abaphase kahle banama baphase ba right banama distinction, but sibe ne problem ukuthi manje we can't take them to school. We can't. Abanye bahlezi right now mabahlala abanayo imisebenzi, ayikho into abazoyenza, ayikho into ama skills development abatholayo. Akuna activity nje abazoba busy ngayo, bagcina nje bahlala baba blank bese babe idumbe nje ezikuyidumbe nje,
because now they just drink and become pregnant and done.
Mamela ama-post ukuthi kunabo DJ bani sekune weekend enkulu kunawo bani enendawo kwezethu ke abantu abaphila kuzo. But yazi sometimes nginokuya ngishaya around nje nami ngothi ngumjita sekusinye isikhathi ngishaya around endaweni ngibuke i-youth the way bajiva ngakhona eyohleza mebehlungu ngibona ukuthi ba happy. Yo but mina happiness yabo ngibona ngathi incomplete kuba happy komuntu but akanayo inyuku. Mina ngibuka ukuthi uhappy nje nenyuku yokugcina maybe bekuyi 370 or inyuku nawo izamalaza ekhaya. Hayi man, into yokushama drinks ngathi bra wami ngaba grand
mentally
athayi ube sharp, mentally ube sharp, ube nayo inyuku ukuthi kusasa ngizovuka mhlambe ngishaye inyama or ngenze ini yabo. Now ube nempilo nje yakho ube sharp. Manje ngala ukho grand ngapho ish mase uhappy lapha ngathi manje une life. Kuze 29 days maybe uhappy usuku oluyi1. 29 days uyasokola unamali even ukuthenga idatha. Anamali even ukujola in. Anamali uku down. Mohlezi eshop lapha yadabukisa ukhona uthenga fruit. Yabona njani man, akunampilo la. Kunamakhaya kancane. Kunamakhaya uthola ukuthi bengibhala enye ipost ngithi mina ayikho into ebhlungu nje ukuthi kube nemakhaya phela edume mhlawumbe 96% thothi amakhaya akusebenzi ubaba ukhona, akusebenzi olida, akusebenzi ubhuti wakhona omdala, sisi wakhona akasebenzi, ingane zakhona ayisebenzi yafunda yabo. Bese uyazibuza abantu bathi thina siphila nje ukuthi sithola abo 370 kube nalo grant leyo. Akusimpilo leyo. Akusimpilo leyo. Akusimpilo leyo.
Because bra abantu balaphana basebenzi.
Yeah. Spana siko.
Oh bra, it's sad. Abasebenzi yabo itown egcwala nge31 nange1 usithi ngenyanga itown iba busy ka 3 times nge i25 akekho umuntu ohola nge25. I can't count those ones.
25 umasipala uthi nje kancane masipala nabo,
but these are few people
abayenza impact.
Yeah, but I'm saying abantu laphana kusho ukuthi itown emfethu noma bengazakha itoro zibe khona kenazi itoro ezinkulu, itown ezoba busy just 3 times a month or 2 times. Igrant ilaba bahola ukuphila kwenyanga.
Ama grant nawo seyahlukana, sikuba le granting abantwana, we grant aba disables, grant abantu abadala. Ilapho ke nama business kakhona operator khona ama shops, ngithi nama shops lapha yana thingisa ama chips ukudla yabona.
But Brad, do we have leadership lapha kule ndawo?
Leadership angifuni kube ngathi sengithe or ngithi.
Yeah, no, asikhuluma amagama abantu, but to analyze the situation, like, cause mina I will be fair. With me, Brad, there is no leadership there.
Yeah.
And I don't care how they feel, but I will tell them there is no leadership.
Mina leadership ingaba khona, but the main thing, it's a vision. Ukuthi those leaders have a vision. Scripturally ngumuntu obuya abe umuntu wenkonzo, there's a scripture kuMatthew sithi bayekeleni bangabahola abayimpumputhi, impumputhi hole impumputhi zonke ziyewena. I don't mean ukuthi khona abantu abayimpumputhi or they don't have a vision, but ngifisa ukuthi mhlambe some other times siyafisa ukuthi sithole vision yabantu suku besileader about our own Dumbe ukuthi yini into abanayo, yini into abasifisela yona, yini into aba-implementayo. Ngiyayibona ipoliticals usually sinokuba nabaholi abafocus kakhulu kupolitics. Uthola ukuthi nwazi ipolitics iqembu lami, hey mina ngiqembela ukuthi, hey mina ngiqembela ukuthi, but what to do for your community? Ubasiza ngani abantu ophila nabo? Usiza ngani what lakho? Yini oyikhathaza ngayo ukuthi ufuna ubona i-change yenzeka in your Dumbe? Thola ukuthi manje sinabantu bagcina bayishaya isifuba ngamaqembu. That's why manje sigcina sixabana sodwa naloyo uveza iqembu lakhe, hayi iqembu lami ne-Chiefs, hayi yeshaya Sundowns today, hayi Sundowns uyishaya Pirates. Gcina lokho kungasisizi next. At the end of the day we are hungry.
Yini mfethu ucocanga siyadingeka kule town. Yeah.
Kule ndawo I've been connecting. Nomunye senga connect. But I've been connecting ama dots. Sikwazile u-engage to ama companies. Amanye they might come. Nje no the last mina ngingahlala namanye ngabiza amanye enye company mining safisa ukuzivulela mining. Sinama mines eDumbe. Ngabiza yeze hall bengilapha amasipala kwafika nabelungu, ama whites wafika nabo businessmen. Siyayikhulumisa indaba yema mine bafuna ukuyivula imine, okay? Unfortunately enough bayi oppose ke mine. Belungu basho ukuthi hayi izongcolisa itani labo, izongcolisa it will pollute amanzi, imfuyo yabo ngeke ikhona ukudla, ya ngeke khona ukuphuza manje amanzi asengcolile in. But izinto lesike sayizama ukuzenza nengizama njengamanje yakhona ama companies engikhuluma nawo right now, akhona namanye ngisuka even koDumbe ngize la koMpumalanga ngikhulume nawo nje agcina thatha ingane ngisuse le ngiposte ngisho ukuthi ngidinga ingane ngaka mhlambe ezi15 sicelele la zishaya ama training sikwazi ukunikeza ichance. Ngicabanga ukuthi we need more of that. Siyadinga ukuthi manje sikhulume ngoba akhona ama companies are willing ukuthi athola indawo lazo investor khona. But uthola ukuthi manje mhlambe kuma cities kugcwele eJozi ukuthola ispace ama spaces ayadura. Akhona ama company afanele manufacture le bese ya import mhlambe asusa izinto mhlambe sizisa ko Durban asizisa kwezinye indawo yabo. Ngicabanga ukuthi masingakhona uconduct lezi zinto lezo si connect zibuye zize eDumbe abantu bawuphila.
You know, I love my town. I don't wanna lie. I love that place. And everyone ngihlangana waseDumbe, ngihlala umthetho bro, I love this place. But the way abantu bakhona, the leaders, bro, ngeke ungitshela ukuthi mina since eDumbe ngakhula khona kudlalwa ibhola, isports abasaziyo ukuthi sikhona la emhlabeni ibhola, and ayekho nomuntu oyiwani wakwafika kwi-professional. Bro, they don't care ukuthi khona abanye abantu abanamanye ama-talent. Imeya nje uma ingavuka nje ithi ifuna ukwenza something, will go to the pitch and enza indaba zebhola, anika abantu ijezi. He doesn't care ukuthi there is others. Kunabantu abanetalent lokuthi kunabantu abawuthi kumele besizwe. No, when it comes to sports, the only thing that they know is just soccer. And they don't realize all these years akekho umuntu wakwafika kwi-professional. So why they are so obsessed about this soccer?
Ya sports siyasimamela eDumbe, sports siyasibukela, siyasithanda njengoba usho ukuthi uyalazi iDumbe vese iDumbe it's about isoccer nengoma, yona ama sports ngesuke nakiyo kakhulu. Okay, asikho, I'm not against them. I'm not against those sports. Ngiyawathanda wonke ama sports, wonke ama courts kahle abo netball, abo rugby, okay, whichever sports esuke khona eDumbe, abo boxing sinawo. Kodwa mina ngiyafisa ukuthi man eDumbe ke singathi singabuka qala izinto ngenye indlela, into eyinkinga kakhulu main problem ilento yokuthi you don't have ama skills nje. You don't have ama skills, masingena ama skills iDumbe al perform. Okay, sports mina ngicabanga ukuthi into oyenza mase ucovered, but we need into yama skills, develop youth man, ibe nezinto ezokwazi ukuyenza ngaphandle kwesport. Angibekise njengani nje mhlambe masikhuluma ngama skills, ake sitrain youth. Ngeke ngayenza le training mhlambe bengilekelelana nabo security uma banga si train youth for security, nga train youth for computers, abantu babe nayo basic computer. ngoba ma develop itown kuba khona ama shop bafuna I computer these days manje funeka matric and a computer mhlambe learners siyenzile ne training yawo ma learners senzisa abantu ama license sabalekelela kakhulu kuma ward asedumbe ngayenzisa i-cashier ama-cashier courses ama-courses anjengalawo we need more of them so nawo kama security kuningi nje sikwenzile sisebenza na youth izama ukuthi ake siyilekelele mani ikwazi ukuthi ibe nezinto noma iphumela ngaphandle ingaveli ngo-matric wodwa because u-matric wodwa sometimes awukhona ufuna ukuthi ungaba nalezi zinto ngoba noma kunjalo ke sesilekelela i-youth kodwa ke khona ne-youth eningi esinayo ehwebayo eku-business so siyesifisa ukuthi silekelele si-empowerishe ngoba khona abantu abenza ama-catering khona abantu abanama-kishi khona abantu abenza ama-baking kunabantu abaningi bahlukahlukene khona abantu abathengisa imfuyo abathengisa imbuzi abathengisa inkukhu kunabo-chief elokishini ekasi lakho bashawe amagodanswempu yabo so siyakholela
ukuthi mfethu into engiyibona ukuthi i-youth yakhona inayo potential but akekho lo muntu oyisizayo ukuthi i-reach that level abafuna ukuyi-reach.
Hey, that's a main problem. I-youth ayinakiwe nje especially lezi zinto engizibalayo nje lawo ma-sector it's like umuntu nje uyazenzela at his own. Kunabantu abathungayo as empowerishi we don't talk anything about them ukuthi ithi sikhulisa iskill sabo sibathengelele umshini nyane emibili ngoba siyambona ukuthi he's doing it.
Yini izinto ongathi umasipala usiza ngazo lapha nongathi kumele azenze?
Engathi kumele azenze? Kuningi bro wami nje mina ngathi awuphambe i-budget ye-youth. Number 1 is empowerish youth eyintweni ezenzayo kunabantu kune-youth enamakota kitchen ne-youth enama-saloon kunabantu abenza ama-saloon uthola ukuthi manje uyabona ukuthi they are good in what they are doing but bayadinga nje little nje yabo mawungabathi nje kancane sike sakuzama lokho benginenye leadership ngabanikeza what we call ama-hampers anemshini anayo yonke into. So we need to do such things. Kunabantu abanama-car wash wabona le ma-car wash apho aya operate like ama-car wash abotawu le bilanyoni uyabona ukuthi yazi lapha umuntu ungamthengela iHoover nje umuntu i-design ibe yinhle into yakhe iqame you can do it. So other than nginokuzwa nje ngiyasharela nginokuzwa nje in my own municipality nami it's my municipality kuthiwa kuthathwe mhlambe a million kwachaswa a certain sports noma kuthiwe kuthathwe 300 and something thousand kwachaswa umdlalo othizeni yabekisa uthi ngithi ngiyabonga ukuthi mina a million mangaxhasa isports esisodwa mhlawumbe noma i-event eyodwa mhlawumbe bebeke lapha eDumbe Dam kule million le mangathatha 100,000 unikeze each and every one kulo 100,000 ku each and every one bese uyihlukanisa nje uthatha ama 10,000 unikeza abantu abayi10 khona ufana bashuthayo abanama camera uba 10,000 angayithola maybe Canon akwazi ukuthi naphakama shoot eyenze ini oyenza ama chips angayithola itofu eziyi2 mhlambe zama frying pan athole nokunye nema popcorn and so forth run a business kulabantu abayi10 unikeza abantu abaranayo showcase hayi abantu bazofunda ngeke bawe bonke abantu abayi10 labantu abayi10 ngeke basebenze futhi bodwa labantu abayi10 if basebenza baningi abantu bazophila through bona lokho uma ungakuyenza ukwenze for 5 years Dumbe will change definitely khona abantu abanezinkukhu labantu abanezinkukhu izinkukhu is very cheap nami nokuzifuya izinkukhu ezi100 izinkukhu ezi100 izinkukhu ezi100 zi1200 umuntu umthengele izinkukhu ezi100 noma ezi200 babe yi10 plus umuntu ethengele nokudla ama pallets lama 50 kg angama 400 umthengele nje maybe ezi100 zingaqeda amasaka mhlambe ayi 8 which is less than 5,000 lo mwelisile uyophila so kuningi nje my brother kuningi singakhuluma ngakho ungadinga isikhathi ungalekelela youth.
Yeah mfethu because siyacela ukuthi yasedumbe mfethu because ngisubhlungu njalo mangila like I'm like laba bantu laba okay now sengize ngicine singunderstand ukuthi why behlale bephuzile because
Exactly.
most yabo bahlale bephuzile like hey uzokwenzani.
Kunabantu aba agriculture eDumbe kunabo babayi lebilanyoni kunabantu abaningi iyouth etshalayo batshala amakhabishi batshala ispinashi nabantu abadala ke obaba uSikhosana nabaningi nje baningi abantu abatshalayo so we need to put our sifake isandla lapho abantu bathengele amanyolo abantu basizwe balinyele kunabantu abafuna ukulima noma amajita nje lapha eGomedeni ngicela ugandagande efuna ukulima ethola amazambane amaningi from Mondi so ngasakusasa sagcina ke silungisa lento yogandaganda ukuthi abalime abantu babuye bathengise amazambane baphile.
No brother, when vision yakho njengamanje you wanna do your own thing now uthini kubantu baseDumbe since you wanna do your own thing, you wanna start your own thing, can you give us like a background ukuthi or more about your part ukuthi ufuna ukwenzana enhleke niphuma phi writings?
Mina bhuti wami ngihlala eDumbe ngithi iDumbe njengoba ngihlala kulo ngiyalazi ngiyunderstand kangcono lincane lona nemoto ayi10 but nomasipala operatayo ngilisebenze lonke ke fortunately enough ngilihambele lonke ngilibone lonke ngilivakashele lonke sa engage nezikole ngama crash abancane abadala ogogo ngahlala nabo they know me mkhwenyana wabo nje ngibalethela isobho nokuvavakashela every now and then so abekho abantu engazange meet nabo masonto sports and different problems abantu abanogesi banenkinga zogesi abanamankinga zama ID I engage with ama department with abo home affairs amaphoyisa bonke nje ngicabanga ukuthi bonke sikhona ulekelela iDumbe my brother iDumbe njengoba usho ukuthi uyalithanda nami ngiyalithanda senhlizweni yami ngisebenze nalo kakhulu up until bengilento yepolitics nje ngibile in one of my political parties akhona eDumbe ngenxa ukuthi besifisa ukulekelela into yaseDumbe nabantu baseDumbe but ke uyazi ke lento zama politics some other times niyasebenza nisebenze kwagcina sekufika la sekuthiwa ayona Mesuli nje ulukho abantu bakubiza bathi Mesuli bebeyisholo yena uyaye our mayor Mesuli our councillor bengi PA of the mayor by the time uma bengisebenza kamasipala namanje ngiyasebenza kamasipala namanje in municipality but ke noma sana ama problems nje akhona njengamanje ngoba bangenzele nje into kodwa noma singazibi zoxoxa ngayo but bangifraudile bafaka ama ID yami bawarongisa angithi bengisebenza kamasipala ngo2021 ngangena kamasipala bangifaka icase ngo2022 kwathiwa mina sengimilana nomasipala sengikhompyutha nemanager ngikhompyutha nomeya ngikhompyutha nomasipala ngifuna bethu abantu Mesuli is doing better than them. Ngathi mina kunjalo ngani mina yonke into bengiyenza through your authority ning authorizer wathiwa I know Mesuli awume eceleni bathaka ungixosha ngafaka icase le back in court singabuya ngayiwina lo case leyo 2023 court atha yikho nje yonke lento leyo ngaveza ama evidence kanti ngikhuluma nabo bethi labathi abathi against bona ngakhuluma nabo ukuthi ayikho into njengaleyo ngayiwina icase mangibuya bafisa baphambana izinto zami ama ID yami abheda for freezer zonke into zami yabo nje manje ngifreezile nje mangithi ngiya kuma pension fund yami angikhoni access anything ngiyako SARS angikhoni usubmit ama IRP5 ama angikhoni ama forms angikhoni ukusubmita noma ngaya kubathi hayi wena kuvela ukuthi wagcina ngo2023 ukusebenza but bengihola ngizeya cancel imali yami manje ngo October gcina uhola ngo-October nje manje kunakhuza so but this is story of another day kodwa ke nje leyo icase sazoyichallenge nje kalula ayingithusi icase nje fanele ngiyiwine le ngoba ukwazi ukufroda ungifroda ngisebenza mangashona nje manje angina access ukuthi bengisebenza amasipala anginalutho ngina benefit
shondo
yonke leminyaka nje ngisebenza nje mahala
iphi iqembu eliphethe kanti lapho kwenzakalani ngalo
iqembu eliphethe cha manje kuphethe NFP bamsene neANC
ayi inking impela
so nje bangifroda kanjalo kodwa ke asikho lapho my brother leyo soyilungisa nje isikhathi sangijahile ngitatazeleli izolandela
yeah
but ngile kutheni ke iDumbe sengasizakala lamawadi amancane. So up until libe ngenza ama services abantu babona ukuthi no, we need this guy. Abanye bakubona lokho noma bengeke bakubone phela abantu bonke, but bakhona abanye bakubonayo. Up until ngicabanga ukuthi no man, yazi eDumbe sesidinga manje into yaseDumbe. Asadingi into emandatewa eLundi noma eNongoma noma eFrayedi noma ePhongolo, but sidinga ukuthi establish into ezokwazi uengage wonke umuntu from different parties, from different communities, from different wards. Akusinto kabani, akusinto kaMesuli, akusinto ephethwe uMesuli, but into yethu nawo mawuvela njengomjida uthi yazi eDumbe mina ngifuna ukuletha ngiyabekisa ezikoleni ngifuna nokuvakashela igele thothi ngiphethe ama uniform ngiphethe izinto esuke ngiphethe. So nawo mawuvela uthi Mesuli njengoChris ngicela ukuthi ngilethe something eDumbe nginama laptop nginama uniform or na something ngicela ukuyiveza bese ngithi I know ufike kahle la senza into yaseDumbe ezosiza umuntu waseDumbe ngenxa yokubona isidingo eDumbe ukuthi ipolitiki asisizi kakhulu eDumbe. Politics doesn't help us. Politics nje khona siyathanda amaqembu ethu lento esizoyenza ayizilo uzoshintsha abantu emaqembini nabo ngoba khona abantu abanothando leqembu ukuthi mina since 1994 ngangivotela ini ngifavor ini, but uthola ukugcina engasizakala unayo igama leqembu but alemsizi ngalutho. Wonke lo muntu lo mayinenkinga ugijima ethi Mesuli azicela usilekelele ngani, then I do that. So nje ubona ngifaka icap ngifake na t-shirt, there is NPP. NPP unayazi abaningi bayazothi Natal Paul Petersburg, but this time ngayibuka ukuthi njengoba si originate into ezongeja wonke umuntu asithi ke manje Natal Paul Petersburg, sithi manje Nyoni Progress Party. Shuthi nje inyoni nje uyibonile logo inyoni ezoletha intuthuko iDumbe lonke onke amawadi, izobe indiza nje iletha intuthuko ezoletha usizo umuntu nje mayinodinga usizo dinga uncedo noma ngabolwana uncedo usukulifuna eDumbe ke bayazi akukho la singakhona ukusiza khona, akukho la singayanga khona, akukho singekwenzanga futhi. For abantu baseDumbe we can do whatever it takes. Mina ngicine sengimiswa akuwona umasipala kuthiwa njengoba ngisiza abantu baseDumbe ngikhompyutha nomasipala,
so kumele
ungabasizi ngathatha ngafaka office kwathiwa ngihlale la ngithule ngenzi lutho ngafaka laptop wathi ungasiza umuntu. Abantu bayefika reception bazongifuna wathiwa nithi uMesuli akekho.
Yebani
ngahlala 2 months ngayazi ukuthi yabona manje ngiyasha, cannot live like this ngabatshela straight ngathi mina lokho ngeke ngisakwazi ukwenza lokho nithi angikwenza ukuthi ngihlale nje ngasiza abantu ngihlale la ngenzi lutho. Ngasuka from that day ngaqhubeka ngaservice abantu ngasiza abantu up until now.
So manje mangasiza abantu, what do they mean if they say ungasiza abantu?
Basho ukuthi phela ngithi manje mangisiza abantu ngikhompyutheka nabo. Thiwa manje ngikhompyutheka nabo manje because abantu babagcina sabathe thina asinayo imayor eDumbe, thina asinayo council eDumbe, thina babazisholo ke bona ngibazi babasho ukuthini. Mina bengabathunga abantu bayasholo, even babasho namanje kuseni uma ngibhalele le post engibhalile bathi this is our mayor. Yabo. Okay,
ikhona vele mayor
ikhona mayor phela likidalelo lelingela mayor ikhona mayor.
This is a small town maybe engarada ngaphandle
engimthanda kakhulu ngomkhonzayo besebenza naye kahle kakhulu, sisebenze naye before ama election na after ama election nangesikhathi ama election ngoba yikwazi wangithatha ngabe uzongena office lakhe because we were sharing a same vision until ke sifike la khona sisplitter khona. But I don't have a problem now. It doesn't have a problem with me. Siyaxoxa siyahlangana, we phone each other, we see, but khona into oyibona ukuthi le ngesakwazi ukuthi work together, you can go parallel. Yeah.
So my brother wena akakaphumeli kahle obala ungichazele kahle nge-movement yakho zamukenza.
All right. Okay my brother, athi ngithi ungena deep ke lapho sesiyenzile ke sesiyenzile political party ayiregister no IEC sayibhadarela nje uyibone logo yayo izongenela amaward onke okhetho njengoba siya 2026 ngoNovember makuthi ama election asangawo November 4 izongenela ama election. Siyacela ukulekelela. In fact akuyona yaseDumbe, in fact izobiphethe i district yonke. district ethu nabo masipala abayi5 inoNongoma ineDumbe ineFriday ineLundi ngikhohlwa yiphi konje iPhongolo yes inoPhongolo nginokufonelwa abantu from these different places bacela usizo kimi ngihlala eDumbe in fact nokufonelwa abantu all over nako Maritzburg nako Ladysmith hey Mesule yazi siyakufollow hey Mesule siyakubona hey Mesule bayangizwa nabo la bazokhuluma le podcast bazokhuluma yes thina we know you thina singofakazi abanye bacela Mesule nathi sicela usilekelele we ready to relocate ngoba nokuthola ama leadership nokuthola imisebenzi nokulekelela iyouth nokuyekelela abantu abadala nokunokha kuma department if ama department anokwenzana anokukhipha imisebenzi mhlambe thiwa eLundi banama EPWP mhlamba ka sports yimi ngisusa ama CVs abantwana from eDumbe ngwalethe ngihambise koLundi sisa ama CVs abantwana eDumbe ngwalethe ko Pitori emasotsheni sisa ama CVs eDumbe ngwalethe ko Jozi so I'm working with them so ngiphethe ama boxes nje every now and then kunabantwana abasebenzayo manje everywhere kunabantu abaningi abafundayo abaseyikoleni abasemavasithi abakuma-TVET right now bathi siyabonga we are here through Sandla Sakho Mesule so solekelela ke umhlali wase Zululand somlekelela whichever problem asuke nayo even yona ama problem ama ID khona abantu abana problem ama ID abangena ama ID abangenawo sikwenzile lokho no Home Affairs siyakwenza namanje kuseni khona bengibhalela ngisane inkinga njalo certificate sama sibuyi I go to Pretoria ngicheck ukuthi sinama applications aso sebenzana no Home Affairs basikhona usilekelela sizothi ke kodwa kulonyaka lo siyacela lesikhathi esele mhlambe baningi ngiyabaphoxa ngoba abaningi babangibuza Mesule yapi abaningi bano mangishama election 2024 ngoba bengama election abantu abaningi before bavote babhala ku Facebook bangavote abanye abantu babuza bathi Mesule siyapi thina sizola so la kusho khona wena abanye bazophoxeka abanye bengithanda ngize emaqembini nabo abanye bangi-engageile omunye nje uzwangitshela nje last month wathi Mesule kuzoba kodwa is either thina la sikunikeza ukubili noma sikunikeza isibhamu noma uthatha imali
shiba
kanti wangitshelile ngoNovember wathi
football leKZN ngiyadutshulwa ngempela
yeah wangitshelile ngoDecember ngoNovember wathi thina yabona Mesule sikubhekile sikubekise lonke ama trap wathi usikhulu omasipala wathi sikubikisela imicibisholo wathi ngeke udabula wathi mongadabula la uzobuyathandaza ngeke kushama election ngaphandle. Fortunately enough, I believe in my God. Ngiyazi lo ngibizile. This is not just what I want, but it's a calling in a different way. It's a calling. So lo ngibizele kulento le, he knows. Uyazi ukuthi why ngibizile. Uyazi ukuthi why angenze ngaba lento ngiyona. So ke ngithi abantu ke sicela bebe khona bazosivotela bazosisupport uma befuna ukubona uguquko nokusizakala kwabo nezingane zabo kwama families kwendawo yaseDumbe bebona ushintsho lwenzeke eDumbe. Siyacela sesikhona akusivula into kaMesule but into nje ezolekelela bonke umhlalo waseDumbe. Osoma business osebenzayo fanele sikwazi ukukhuluma engage nama companies ngoba khona ama companies nawo noma kusetshenzwa kodwa kugcina angenzi okuyiqiniso. Siyabasibiza abantu basi-invite siye ema companies sikhulume nabo sikhulume nama manager abanye nje as we speak abatholi even ama UIF abakhona wathola bayasebenza nje but bayasebenza abanye bakutshela ukuthi banabo 10 years. So banongibiza ke ngihambe engage ngihlala nama managers abanye ngikhuluma lama problems abo abasebenzi nomsebenzi kulungiswayo.
No my brother sikufisela okuhle konke ukuthi uma khona abantu abenza movement kanje ngithathe le interview because I'm like Ikaslami, I heard about you, but ngitshela ngoMesule. Thanks to Mesule, I was like, hey, okay, this is a great guy. Because kusha abantu bengakaze engage now. Yeah, but bengizwa ngabantu bengitshela njalo. uMesule ngizwe uMesule mawufuna ukuthi noseswami beyahlale useswami naye beyahlale ngitshela iCV yami ngihambisa kuMesule ngithi oh okay. So yeah, kusho days Mesule so siyabafuna ama leaders eKaslam nama abazofike benze ushintsho befuna ukubona abanye abantu beya phambili so leyo nto leyo sesiyajabulela kakhulu kuye kwaba nescandal because ngiyazi ukuthi abantu bazothi
Yeah.
hey Chris wangambuza kanje benenza interview yobungani laphana
Yeah.
no kuye kwaba nescandal la bakhuluma ukuthi uinvolve kuma drugs
Ayingathi ngiyithanda ke leyo Chris oyithintayo.
ngithi uzothi awuyithandi
Ngiyithanda kakhulu.
Yeah.
Ngiyithanda kakhulu. Yazi ngithandiswa yini? Namanje njoba nje angazi namhlanje kanti ngirefere kakhulu entweni engiyibhalile. Njoba ngifaka ipost la ku Facebook wami uMesuli Shande Dumbe. Khona wabhalile bese bethi ke bese lokunithi uMesuli he's selling drugs. Ngiyabona lento le iqalwe mina ngesingami nguyibona iqalwe umholi lo bengisebenzisana naye masiqala siphambana. Usefaka ivangeli lithi kubantu uMesuli uthengisa ama drugs njengoba ngumyekelile yabo wafaka lento le wafaka leyo nyombololo lokho efaka leyo nyombololo lo vangeli lelo ngokuthini badidwe into ukuthi onjani umuntu okwazi ukwenza izinto out of his pocket. Mangiqala ngama program phela nama program na every day my brother every week na program mangayanga crash mangizoya kubantu mangayanga wadini ethizeni zoya kubantu abadala mangayanga abantu abadala zoya youth mangayanga youth ngizobathengela amabhola mangathenga amabhola ngizobe ngisiza abantu abasuke bedinga usizo each and every week in the program. You can follow my page yabo makhona abantu abenza business ethizeni I will go and give them something. I will go and enlarge them and appreciate manje ngoba confused ukuthi hayi everyone is always asking me, where do you take money for this? Ubani ukufanda, ubani osemva kwakho, ubani ukunikeza imali yokuthi. Base ke abantu ke yabe ba confuse ake lento bathi I should lo mfana lo is selling drugs. That's why ekunemali okwenza izinto. Angeke umuntu ongakwazi ukukhipha imali yakhe enzele umphakathi omngaka waseDumbe wonke. Because one moment ngenza itiye labo gogo thola ukuthi ama pension sengibashaya itiye lapha bashana noma slice lawo you understand. So yaba confuse one moment nokufuya inkukhu mhlambe sothi neinkukhu ezi200 ngifuya ngikhulisa ngithi phela inkukhu phela ngiyasebenza at the same time ngisebenza angibali ke okay ngithi ngibeke ecela ngomasipala ngoba masipala kufike manje 2021 bengithi ngiyasebenza ngina indawo internet cafe ngithola imali every day. Ngikhulisa inkukhu ezi200 mase ngikhulisile ngithengele imesh mase ngithengelile ngibiza ogogo lapha ngicela bonke ogogo nabantu abangenayo abazali mhlambe abangenakudla ngibanikeze inkukhu ngibanikeze inkukhu right now nje neinkukhu ezi20 ngihambisa kaVova ngihambisa iBilanyoni sengigcina kuthiwa nje uMesuli wesobho ngisho ukuthi hayi manginogogo abeze ngibanikeze amavorsi ngibanikeze amakhabishi ngihlanganise ngibanikeze la mali ama packages lawo.
Final state I want you to make the final statement. Umuntu njengamanje waseDumbe ozobebheke le video uthi why kumele avotele iNPP?
Uzovotela iNPP for the change of iDumbe nje indawo yethu izoshintsha environment yethu siyacela ukuthi ishintshe ngoba izobe ingamandate waphezulu ngoba le mandate yaphezulu inkinga ngoba le phezulu bazoke bakumandate ngeDumbe abangalazi bethi awufaka uChris azoba yabekisa uChris akazoba imanager ye-youth kanti uChris akayazi ne-youth mangambuza nge-youth ehlala kaGweba akayazi umbuze nge-youth ehlala lapha eShelton o34 akayazi umbuze nge-youth ehlala kanye noma ekhonini kaZulu noma yabo ehlezi akawazi ama challenges e-youth akayazi i-youth engasebenzi akasazi sports esidominator akawazi ama challenges esports esuke sibhekene nawo ukuthi sinenkinga sinawo ama ground njengamanje sinale ground kanye savala iground so sinenkinga i-youth ihlezi that's why i-leader akamiza sinenkinga ye-youth ekuma drugs njengamanje so akazi ukuthi uChris ifanele ayenze njalo lo youth kanti thina we've been working with abo social development sathatha ezinye zeingane bese connecta no DST ukuthi akayisize zidla ama drugs njengami nje nobathatha ngibase khona nginokusebenza noqwabe ngisebenza noqwabe unfortunately sihambile ke ngisizama ukulekelela le youth eshayida kamizwa njengamanje so ke sithi ke siyacela akunanto esimangaliso into entsha hawu Mesuli sevula iqembu cha uMesuli lo nimaziyo nje bese siza eDumbe nosizana osazonisiza futhi abafisa ukukholela uMesuli amakhadi asekhona from today amakhadi azobe se distributwa iqembu uzobe selirana ama t-shirt azobe khona abantu abasupport
uzakala kanjani nomuntu njengamanje uzokuthola kanjani
abantu siyatholakala mina number yami public bayangazi abantu public bangifonela o78 akashintsha u44 756 number yami ikhona enye Vodacom ukhona ku WhatsApp ngikhona ku Facebook Mesuli Shande Dumbe abantu bangithola ngiCentral ngisetown ngisebenzele town bayazi container yami befuna usizo bavela container ngikhona guys for Dumbe. Sikulekelela.
Ne
Siyanithembisa
NPP
NPP la inyoni nje Progress Party nje izoletha nje intuthuko Dumbe lonke.
sithi kubantu basedumbe intuthuko isifike.
Intuthuko bayayazi sifikile Chris intuthuko lebe bevese lokhu beyithola. Intuthuko njengoba lokhu basho bathi intuthuko siyazi ngawo Mesulu nawethu. Silokhu siqhubeka lapha ngeke simi. If bangasinikeza amandla sokuthamza ngawo4 lokho esikwenzayo. Akusiki ukuthi sokwenza into entsha.
Nane crime lapha ngibone ngathi bathi phezulu manje crime kanti the town namangikhula it was a peaceful town.
Icrime izoba phezulu ngoba abantu youth yonke ihlezi ayenza next ayina mina engagejwe na enye into mhlambe abacabanga
Yasondeza mic kancane.
Ngisondeza.
Yeah imic yeah.
Na enye into engenza ukuthi abantu bacabanga ukuthi uMesulu ingathengisa ama drugs. Engage nabantu abangekho right nabo lababhema ama drugs. Mina umphakathi uyangazi wonke. So angikwazi ukuthi umuntu obhema drugs meza lapha emsebenzini wami eza nje mina ine daylight athi Mesulu ngilambile ngithi mina hayi ubhema drugs ufuna imali obhema drugs hamba mina I give him mayifuna imali zomnikeza kodwa ngeke bona banginikeze imali yimina engikhipha njalo imali mina ngibathengela izinto mina I believe in that. I cannot change
Giving.
that. I cannot change that. Lokho nje ngoba le ingane zabazali ezinye ezihlobo zethu ezinye ezihlobo zabazali abazali bayezi bengikhalela ingane zami Mesulu ingane zethu they in drugs. Mina ngiconnect no department zama ukufuna indawo ukuthi asihambe ziyorehab kodwa while singakari ngizozipha imali as much ngibanikeza naba right nabo brothers no ufuna ukubhema methi Mesulu angimthendana Mesulu futhi kwa ngeke ngithi I don't believe in judging ukuthi fanele ngijudge manje uzoyenzana ungibuza kanje le kulento oyifunayo let me just try to help you kulento osukuyifuna ngaleso sikhathi ngomunye ogcina uyoganga just because ayithola icrime ke my brother iya ngokwanda iya ngokwanda khona indawo nje esingayithanda nami njengolokishi nokubizwa nabantu basuka operative bazoganga uzoroba abantu uroba ama flat amafoni abantu ama laptop but siya engage ke nabona amaphoyisa ke obabosibiya ke siyaxhumana nawo amaphoyisa khona yaphithizela othulano osco baseshi cha bazama ngendlela yabo noma sine stage esincane kodwa ke nje siyathemba ukuthi kuzolungiseka kunye nokunye Dumbe.
Yeah, cause nami crime yangiphatha amasengizokuthiwa icrime ingathi khuphukile abantu bayabulawa kwenziwa. I was like hey.
Yeah, safuneka manje isandla sithi uqina manje sona bona unokhona umthetho kodwa nama kwaqini ngalendlela engifisa ngayo nanokuthi ke ngibuka mancane amaphoyisa sinawo.
Nanokuthi mfethu umasipala kumele azame iplan yabo nje indawo nje ngabulokishini kufuna ama patrol.
That's my idea my brother. Yabo nje bengikhuluma nomunye umfowethu omngane wami ngithi mina nokubhala na Facebook nokuba ngeDecember nangima month end nokuthi nami dedicate ngifake uniform yami ngiphathe imvubu ngisho ukuthi December siyadinga ama security nangama busy days ama security azopatrola nje noma ithi ahola imali encane but nje abe khona etani mhlawumbe ama security ngoba baningi abantu abane security eDumbe sibe nabo abantu noma bawu6 abapatrola eDumbe ama ATM abantu barojo abogogo ema lokishini
incane Dumbe is like ama security ay 10
not even 10 even 5 nje ba move nje kabathi namaphoyisa sinowacela ukuthi awenza shaya ama blue light akwenze lokho nasemalokishini njengobila enyoni bazamele ukwenza lento lezo kodwa nje siyayidinga into ethi each and every month sinawo abantu abasongo ngoba akusiyaka ubugebengu lokhu serious.
Yeah, but bona lo ufuna bungakhuli
ababe visible abantu abazobattend ama security lazophithizela yabo athusenyana.
Nasiyabonga kakhulu man I love you so much eKaslami eDumbe ngiyalithanda kakhulu nababhekile njengamanje kumele bazo ukuthi ngiyawancane iKaslami 034
yeah.
Yabonga kakhulu my brother sifisela konke okuhle ebikusho ukuthi ngempela abantu bavote ungene because I trust ukuthi uzokwenza ushintsho yabo.
One more thing nje my brother nje sesivala nje mhlawumbe segcineni ngiyacela ukuthi osilalele njengamanje it's either u businessman noma one company noma okanjani but siyacela manje makukhona umuntu onesandla sokulekelela
sokucontribute
noma kuthiwa ufuna abantu abayi4 or abayi3 mina ngiyakhona ukuthatha abantu masuse le ngibayenzele accommodation lapho ngibahlalise lo ndawo leyo basebenza abantu. So if ukhona noma ubani onomsebenzi mhlawumbe one contract mhlawumbe nokudinga mhlawumbe construction mhlawumbe udinga abafana abayi10 mhlawumbe udinga ama chair ayi5 you can call me man, asilekelele sinabantu esifisa ukuthi balekeleleke babeke isinkwa phezulu kwetafula emakhaya bahlala kuwo. Thank you.
No, my brother, I will come after next month.
Yeah.
I will come. Ngifuna ukuze esikoleni sami lapha ekhanya njalo. Just wanna come and help them with something. So yeah, I'm coming. I'm really coming to do something in my town because banohlale bithi hey wena ngathi awusiwa la. No, I'll come and do something, give back. So soon I'm coming ezikoleni ukuthi ngizosiza something lezongane ezingekho a privilege. So mhlawumbe kusiza ngecathulo nangani yeah. Yeah, so yeah, ngizokucontact noma brother sibonga kakhulu.
Thank you.
James, are we out or what?